Grace to Triune God. During my college days, I met a very rich person. He is one of my friend. So I told to him, "See, God has blessed you with much property and money. Why can't you share little bit of your property and money to these poor people?" So in answer, he told, "See, God has blessed me with property and money. That's true. So why can't the same God bless this poor person? Why God made him poor and why God made me rich?" To his question, I was not able to answer. Actually, I was thinking about it. Then I prayed to God. I got an answer from the Bible. Jesus himself tells a story about a rich person and also a poor person named Lazarus. The rich person name was not mentioned here. It's because his name was not written in the book of the records in the heaven, but the Lazarus name, the poor man's name, was written in the book of the records in heaven. The rich man was wearing a very expensive clothes, eating very delicious, expensive food, and moreover, he is sharing little bit to his dog. At the same time, he is not sharing his food or clothing to Lazarus. So, in this story, Jesus tells that both of them died, and the rich person has gone to hell, while the poor person, Lazarus, has gone to heaven. Then I thought that what sin this rich person has done to go to hell. Then I came to know that rich person should have loved his neighbor and shared his food and clothing to him, but he has not done. So that is the main sin that he has done. So he went to hell. But this poor person, he suffered a lot in this world, so he went to heaven. Then the question still remains, who made this poor person? Who made this rich person? See, God is love, and God wants all his children to love each other. So everyone is created in the image and likeness of God. So we are all children of God. We are supposed to love one another. How to love one another? To share something with us. Without sharing, we cannot love. See, it is only God who makes this poor person so that the rich person should love him and share him and share his property, money, food, clothing. So it is God who makes a rich person and also a poor person so that we people should love each other, to show love each other, to share and for the completion of the love. See now, because of this pandemic, several parents they have lost their children, several children they have lost their parents. Some people they have sold their land, paid their medical bill. They don't have a land, they don't have money, nothing. They don't have a job also. They are totally mentally depressed. They are not able to do anything. Some are preparing to commit suicide because there is no way for them to live. So in this situation, people those who are rich, they should share their property, money, food, clothing to these people. Actually, how can we help some poor children? See, some poor children, they have lost their parents. Now they are orphans. So, at least we can sponsor one child or take a child and take care of them. See, there are so many parents who are totally dependent on their children. But the children, when they had died, so there is no income in that house. So these parents, old parents, they may find difficult to live. So for such people, it's better some rich people should share little bit of their money to them so that they can live and they live happily. So this is how we can show our love by sharing so that we can live and we should let others also live. May God bless you.